Hi, welcome to another episode of Garage Cleanup, Part 3. Starting on the outside, back side of the garage. So, this is the back side of the garage. There's the back of the house. That's where the other garage entrance is. It's a massive fireplace from the great room, and then this is the next entrance. Alright, so I already started right here, forgot to start filming, but cleaned off this table, so I got to go through all the drawers, everything. And we have one toolbox, locker, another cabinet, more shelves, more shelves, more shelves. Suzuki. See, it did fit. And then more shelves. Alright, I'm about halfway through my weekend adventure. Just kind of give you a little snapshot of where I'm at so far. All right, so I'm gonna have a lot of room coming up because the mower in the far left corner is my brother's and the tan four-wheeler is his. So those will eventually be coming out. I believe also that toolbox is his, so that'll be coming out. And then I've got somebody interested already in the wood lathe and equipment, woodworking equipment, so that's going to come out. Let's see, so far I've went through all of this. My dad had a lot of stuff, has a lot of stuff. All this is keep stuff. I just have to sort it now, but I know it's all good stuff. 2 toolboxes full of tools. I've got this locker here that I've got completely cleaned out now. Got everything cleaned as much as we can clean it, that is. But I don't want to get rid of this because this actually was sandblasted and repainted, so it's, you know, a pretty nice little locker. So don't want to get rid of it. Use it for whatever. Found a bumper and a tailgate. Not exactly sure what years it fits, but the tailgate's definitely for a Chevrolet truck. Just don't know the year. I'm assuming this bumper goes with it. I gotta try to figure out what the heck that goes to. Got some type of portable paint station table, Black & Decker. You know, it's plastic and stuff, but you know, they could sell in a yard sale or something. So far I've cleaned off all this wall. The idea is to get everything cleaned up, and then we're gonna, you know, kills the wall for any moisture or anything, because when this foundation was done, there, as you can see, there's some moisture, so all that needs to be treated and cleaned and sealed. Coming over here, cleaned out this corner, got a lot of extension cords, some building wire, and so now the next project is this stuff. So I don't even know what's in these cabinets, but I've got to go through all these cabinets, filters, all kinds of stuff. And then once I get done with that, I've got to come over here. This is all deemed yard sale stuff, so we're going to take it back over to Georgia because it's a heck of a lot easier to have a yard sale where I live versus where my parents' house is. I still got to go through all this. I mean, like come-alongs. I mean, I've already pulled like 4 come-alongs off the wall. There's 2 more there. There's another one there. My dad had a lot of come-alongs apparently. And stop signs. Apparently we had stop signs from somewhere because I've got 1 here and I've got 2 in a closet. I don't know where the stop signs came from. He must have got them at a yard sale or dumpster or something. But anyway, so I got to go through all this. Grease guns. Oh my God. We got so many grease guns, it's crazy. So I got to go through grease guns. Hey, here's a blast from the past. So as I was going through a lot of this stuff, come across this. For any of you 80s kids out there, Kaboom cassettes. Oh, some White Snake. I think there's some Def Leppard in here, yeah. Depeche Mode, Wilson Phillips, MC Hammer. I mean, gotta have some beats, just a penny. But thought that was pretty cool. Oh, look, another gas can. Need another one of those. So anyway, I got to go through this. Found some skis. You know, in Alabama, you never know when it's going to have a huge snowstorm or something. Might need the skis, but never know. And then some chainsaws, which those I just need to toss. I mean, I'm sure they probably would run if you tinkered with them, but I mean, don't know if anybody going to pay too much for old, used chainsaws. Maybe I'm wrong. More chemicals I got to go through. An easy up, which that could be a garage sale item. These are for scaffolding because we have an entire set of scaffolding that's on the other side of that wall upstairs. So that's all got to go, or at least out of here. So yeah, and then I still got that whole section over there behind us is the Samurai that I got to go through. So yeah, halfway through my day, and then I've got to go through a few more things as I just pointed out, and so I'll show you how far I get. We'll see. I was hoping to have everything on the outer walls gone through at least, so that next time we come over, I could kills everything, get it all painted white. We do have some LED light fixtures that we ordered. Those are on back order. Oh, surprise. But once those come in, I'll get those put in over here, and then that'll make the lighting a lot better. But anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the show so far. Alright, so it's about 10:30 on Saturday night. I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how far I've gotten in progress. Didn't get everything done I wanted to get done, but it got a lot done. So okay, so still the same over here. My brother's mower, his four-wheeler, that's going to be going not too long. We're going to keep the red four-wheeler, that's my mom's, because it's power steering, fuel injected. It's easy to operate for her. So that's how we're looking over here. Got the Suzuki. I got somebody that's going to get the wood lathing equipment and stuff, woodworking equipment, so that'll take care of that. So coming over here, Suzuki's in here. The tractor will fit nicely right here now. So all of this stuff, I haven't gotten through it all. I've sorted it. Got another toolbox over from another room in the basement. Still got to go through and organize all the tools, but all the chemicals and everything that I've found are all they're all good chemicals. Got that locker box completely emptied. Found, like I said, I think I said before, I found out there's a bumper in here and a tailgate for a Chevy pickup. Moved the ramps and stuff. So I've tried to move everything to this wall right here, because this wall, all this stuff in the middle is stuff we've deemed yard sale, that we can get rid of. An interesting story, if you notice, there's a door behind the air conditioning. I'll show you that here in a second, why that's there. We had to relocate the door after it was installed. But I've got this wall pretty much completely cleared, so that next time I come over, hopefully we can do the kills and get that part of the wall done, and then I can move all of this to the back wall. And then the tractor should fit in here fine with the bush hog on the back, and I believe maybe even the Gator could fit behind it. Maybe the Suzuki, I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But did finally sell the log splitter, so that's good. Going to be selling this other four-wheeler that's out here. Got somebody interested in it. That one right there. So once that's out of the way, this is going to be a lot clearer. So the only things I've got left to pull in here is going to be that four-wheeler and the Gator, and then the tractor. But we'll pull the tractor in the morning. But yeah, so a lot of stuff cleaned up, and it looks really good. Just to kind of show you what I was talking about on that door. So this is the other part of the basement. So originally, the first builder we had the door that you saw from the garage was like right here in this area. And the way they did the stairs is they came down and then they did a 90 that way because the guy did not measure correctly when they were doing everything, and they didn't realize how wide these floors were, how tall they were. So the steps originally came down right here and out. And so they had to go in and pay some money to have, because that just didn't work. The stairs were just way too narrow. So paid to have it completely done all the way down, and then just sealed up that wall, that door, and then made a new one. So, but in here, this is the other part of the basement. It's basically just construction stuff. We've got all the wood because, I mean, the house is still being remodeled. But we're starting to do the kit. We're putting the sealing on all the walls. So anyway, there's one room down here that is almost done. Still got, like I said, I got a lot of wood down here. A lot of stuff to go through, just construction stuff mostly down here. But this is all new construction. Another closet there. This is the old house, which was basically, this was the original basement. It was just a half basement. That door just goes underneath the house. But all this has got to come out eventually and replaced with new flooring. So it was one of those things where the way the project started is they just was going to do an addition, and the addition turned into a huge addition. So now basically they built a house around a house. So all the old house stops like right here, as you can see, all the new construction. But the new part's really nice. It's going to be probably finished up this year, I would say, but then that project's going to be a serious tackle. Trying to go through and do, I've got to go through all this crap. It's a bunch more stuff that needs to be gone through. But anyway, so hope you enjoyed the little journey this week. Probably be a couple weeks before I can get back over here and work on some more. But it'd be nice to get the garage, all the walls painted white. It will really, and plus get the new LED lights in, because these LED lights are pretty nice. And then the garage will pretty much be done. I just have to, organize some stuff, but nothing too bad. But anyway, you all have a great night.